So we start with handwriting on junior and senior category. Maybe invite Regina ma'am to coordinate with everything and to do on with handwriting competition on junior and senior category. The part of medals, maybe invite on stage Amit Sharma sir. Handwriting competition, junior category. Third position goes to number 8, Dipta Shrestha. Thank you, Dipta. Back to your position. Second position in handwriting competition, number 2, Agrata Dhakar. The first position, that is for junior category handwriting, number 7, Samraki Shrestha. The senior category on handwriting, third position, contestant number 14, Saisa Pandey.
Yes! Wow!
The second position, contestant number 16, Sritija Purvi. Then we have the winner on the senior category in handwriting, contestant number 19, Simira Nepal. Next we proceed for essay competition. May we invite Sagar Shrestha on the stage. And thank you, Amit sir. The essay competition on juniors, the third position goes to number 3, Megan Mokhtar. Second position in essay, number 7, Samraki Shrestha. The first position in essay for juniors, number 2, Agrata Dhakar. Moving towards the senior category for essay competition, third position is by number 11, Khushi Rai Boston. Second position in the same competition, that is the essay, number 12, Ita Chen Rasbandari. The first position in essay competition and seniors is number 17, Prapti Sunar. Next is for leadership. Maybe invite Harigopal Pradhanji on stage. Thank you, Sairaji. The leadership category, junior, third position, contestant number 4, Keka Shrestha. Second position from juniors, number 8, Dipta Shrestha. First position from juniors, number 1, Nitisha Agrawal. Seniors on third position in leadership, contestant number 17, Prapti Sunar. Seniors, the second position, number 18, Sarahana Casey. the first position is for contestant number 19, Simira Nepal. Next category is race competition. Maybe invite on stage Rajendra Kumar KCG. Thank you very much, sir. The race competition on juniors and seniors, the top three. Juniors top three, the third position. Contestant number 8, Dipta Shrestha. Second position, contestant number 5, Aryuna Chand. First position, juniors, Nitisha Agrawal, number 1. Race competition, seniors, top 3. Contestant number 18, the third position, Sarana Casey. Second position on the same competition, contestant number 14, Sai Sapande. First position is scored by contestant number 9, Srimai Koirala. Arko Bidan Marble and Spoon competition, maybe invite Kavita Ujal Sikdal on stage, please. And thank you, Raju sir. Marble and Spoon competition, the juniors top 3. The third position, number 8, Dipta Shrestha. Second position, number 1, Nitisha Agrawal. First position, number 5, Aryuna Chand. Marble and Spoon on seniors. Third position, number 11, Khushi Rai Foster. Second position, number 12, Itache Rajbandar. And the first position scored by number 19, Simira Nepal. For next category, maybe invite Radha Jakalji on stage. Thank you, Kavita ji. Oranges and lemons competition. We have only the winners in this competition. The junior winner on this competition, Oranges and Lemons, is number 6, Srishti Lama. And senior winner on this competition is number 10, Nivani Adhikari.
She still brings on these two wheels like water. It's like she was laughing.
For other categories, maybe invite on stage Meena Moharzan. The category is bursting balloon competition. Balloon competition, juniors, the top 3. Third position is number 5, Aryuna Chand. Second position goes to number 3, Megan Mokhtar. First position that goes to number 8, Dipta Shrestha. Heading on for seniors, third position, number 13, Rachel Chebra. Second position, Saisha Pandey, number 14. The first position on seniors, this is number 19, Simira Nepal. on for drawing competition. May we get Swastika Bajracharya on stage. Drawing competition juniors, top 3. Third position, number 6, Srishti Lama. Second position, number 3, Megan Mokhtar. First position, number 5, Arjuna Chon. On seniors, third position, number 14, Sarisa Pandey. Second position, number 15, Asian Khanal. And the first position, backed by number 13, Rinchen Sherpa. Thank you, Swastika. May we invite Manita Guru on stage for the dancing category awards. Dancing category, juniors, top 3. The third position, number 4, Hikasa Shrestha. Second position, juniors, number 3, Megan Mokhtar. First positions on juniors is number 8, Dipta Shrestha. Dancing, that would be the seniors, top 3. Number 15, the third position, Asian Khanal. Dancing, the second position, number 13, Rinchen Sherpa. Then we have the first position, number 16, Shriti Japuri. Thank you. Maybe invite Divakar on stage for other categories. Okay, singing, the winner on the juniors, singing top 3 seniors, and we have the speech category. Singing as a whole on junior, winner is number 2, Agatha Thakar. Singing on seniors, the top 3. Number 9, Srimai Koirala, the third position. Second position, number 19, Simira Nepal. First position on singing is number 12, Ita Chen Rasbandar. On Menwet Speech Award, and that is the last medal to be presented. Maybe request Regina ma'am to carry on by herself. Number 18, Sarana Casey. And now we'd love to proceed with the subtitle awards for juniors and seniors. For subcategories on junior department, for the categories popular, viewer choice, maybe invite on stage the judges. Maybe start with Navraj Bhatta. The popular category, that is all the best scorer on online voting platform, that is for Eventus Natal. The popular winner on junior is contestant number 7, Sandaki Shrestha. Maybe also get the invite the brand ambassador for Suzal Foods, Bigan Prakulil, to hand over the gift hampers from Suzal Foods, the choco fun for each of our contestants on the categories. Samrati, could you move forward to receive the gift hamper? Back to your position. And the next category is for Miss BO Choice on the juniors side. Number 3, this is Megan Mokhtar. This is for photogenic awards. Maybe go for the winner of the junior category, contestant number 2, Ograta Tokar. Maybe invite Kiran sir on stage for other awards. Is next category, the friendly award that goes to contestant number 4, Kikasa Swasta.
साइसे पार्टनरले पाउँछ कि फ्रेन्डली नै छ ए जुनियरको पो रहेछ सिनियरमा पाउन सक्छ
Miss Confidence is next. This is contestant number 1, Nitisha Agrola. Most talented among the juniors, contestant number 5, Ayuna Chon. points category is for contestant is Miss Personality on Junior, number 8, Dipta Srastha. For the categories, may we invite on stage for Sakur. Thank you, Kiran sir. Organizers choice among the juniors, contestant number 6, this is Shrishti Dama. Getting on for the senior side, revealing the subcategories. Miss Creative, contestant number 30, Rinchen Sherpa. Best Walk, contestant number 16, Shriti Japuri. Thank you, Bolsaji. Of the category के लागि maybe invite Sonamji on stage. Miss Intellectual is next awards. This goes to contestants. Maybe get Sonamji at first. Contestant number 19, Simira Nithal. For Miss Popular, for the senior side, the popular category, that is for Eleventhos voting side. Miss Popular is number 18, Sarana Casey.
ऑनलाइन भोटे
For other categories, maybe invite on stage Roshni Sahiba. Thank you, Sonaman. Category we reveal is viewers' choice on senior side. Contestant number 11, Khushi Rai. Next we reveal is photogenic awards. Contestant number 14, Saisa Pandey.
वाव.
Maybe invite on stage Prashna Shrestha for other categories. Thank you, Roshni. Miss Miss Friendly is number 17, Prapti Sunal. Confidence will be the next awards. This is for contestant number 9, Srimali Koirala. For other categories, maybe invite Anuswa Shrestha and thank you, Prati. Prashna. The remaining top 3 awards. Before that, we have talent, personality, and organizer choice. The most talented is number 10, Nirvani Adhikari. Miss Personality, contestant number 12, Ita Chen Rasbhandari. And then organizer's choice is on the element number 15, Aisel Khanna. Thank you, Vidyanji. Thank you, Anusuya ma'am. And heading on for top 3 awards. Before that, we'd love to felicitate our special guests. Mrs. Atithilai सम्मान गरिदिनको लागि सिजन मिडियाको तर्फबाट प्रदीप राजमाको जुलाउनु गर्न चाहन्छु। हामी स्टेजमा प्रस्तुत गर्न चाहन्छौँ नेपाल चेम्बर अफ कमर्सका उपाध्यक्ष र महिला चेम्बरका अध्यक्ष रहनुभएका र साल ट्रेडिङ कर्पोरेसनलाई हाकिरहनुभएका श्री उर्मिला श्रेष्ठ। We go for the top 3s. So maybe invite Amia Gurung and Pranashri Singh, the runners-up. Head on with the runners-up on juniors and seniors category. Junior side, second runners-up on the category, and here we present with the score 267, juniors categories, second runners-up. So bringing the prize as well, the brand new cycle is coming up. This is the name and the number, junior category, second runners up. Contestant number 5, Arjuna Choi. All congratulations, and we head on for senior second runners up, and to be presented by Pranashri and Amir. The second runners up on seniors with scores 276, contestant number 11, Khushi Rai. Congratulations, Khushi. You can turn back. And for the first runners-up, may we invite on stage Prakriti Rani, Yushri Dangol, and Ashmi Sharma. And thank you so much, Amia and Pranashri. So may we get Ashmi, Yushri, and Prakriti on stage. Getting on for the first runners-up, juniors, with the scores 274. Contestant number 7, Samrati Shrestha. category with scores 278. First runners up is on seniors number 12, Ida Shenraz Wandari. Asmi, Yushvi and Prakriti. And now we are all there for the main category, that is winners on junior and senior department. For the part, maybe jointly invite on stage Kiran Kumar Srivastava sir and Nabraj Bhatta sir. Right, Rashia Bhangini. Invite Urmila Srivastava, the Vice President for Nepal Chamber of Commerce and also the President of Women Chamber of Commerce. So before we get on this, Urmila ma'amलाई हामी सम्मान गर्न चाहन्छौँ. So before we present the winner of the junior category, let's hear from the junior winner of last year's category, Prashya Pangeni, to put on the words.
Respected judges, proud parents, and all the beautiful young contestants, warm greetings to you all. I am Prashya Pangeni, your proud winner of Junior School Princess 2025 Edition 10, organized by Season Media. Standing here today truly feels special as I pass the crown's inspiration to the next generation. To all the little princesses here tonight, remember, you are already winners the moment you step on the stage. And it's not about winning or losing, it's about giving your best. And winning this title is not about just beauty, it's about being confident, courage, and believing in yourself even when you're afraid. I would like to say best wishes to all of you, and thank you.
Maybe request Vigyanji as well on stage to provide the special gift hamper from Suzal Foods, the Choco Fun. The Vigyanji right there being the brand officer. And maybe request Urmila ma'am as well as Rashia to jointly crown the new winner on junior department of Junior School Princess. Junior School Princess Season 11, Junior category winner, the score point 283. The lady is contestant number 8, Deepika Srivastava. Thank you so much, Nabraj sir and Kiran sir. May we invite on stage Roshni Sai ma'am and Anushya Shrestha ma'am on stage for the other category, the senior category. Thank you, Rashia. May we invite Sivanshi Giri, the senior winner. उर्मिला म्यामलाई पुनः स्टेजमा राख्न चाहन्छौँ सिनियर क्याटेगोरी विनरको क्राउनको पार्ट and maybe hear from Sivansi before we crown the new queen on senior category.
Namaste everyone. Last year I was honored to be the junior school princess, and that experience made me more responsible, confident, more humble and kind. It is a proud moment to be back on this stage. The experience of junior princess school has changed me a lot. I learned how to speak in front of people, to manage my time in between my studies and my activities, and to always stay humble and kind. Don't be jealous, don't be greedy, don't be selfish, always care about others. What I enjoy most about junior princess school is that I got to make new friends. I had a wonderful experience with all the teachers. I got to learn new things, and I will forever be grateful for my parents for helping me. I don't think without them I would have not been here, and I am very grateful for them. Thank you so much everybody, and congratulations to the new winners. Remember princess, you are all beautiful. You are all gorgeous. I believe in you guys. Thank you so much.
And our special guest, Urmila ma'am, along with Sivanshi will be crowning jointly the new queen for senior category of Junior School Princess Season 11. And the Junior School Princess Season 11 senior category winner with 287 score point. The lady is contestant number 18, Sarhana Casey. Meanwhile, with the final fellowship, may we invite on stage all the jury members, Prashna Shrestha, Sonam Casey, Varsha Kuwar, Kiran Kumar Shrestha, Navraj Bhattaji, all stage please. May we also invite the special guests as per Amit Sharmaji on stage. May we invite Pradeep Rajwandaji on stage please, Sagar Shresthaji, Hari Kumar Bhran, Rajendra Kumar Casey. May we all be presented on stage. Also may we add on Meena Mahajan, the Managing Director of Swasti Sri Gurukul. May we invite Rahadadal Sarpota, Kopita Oza Sigdil, Tasi Mahajan, the school in charge, Swasti Sri Gurukul. We are all there completing with the event, bringing up the winner, Dipta Shrestha and Sarhana Casey, the main category winners. And all thank you, the remaining beautiful ladies. Thank you so much. invite all the previous winners also on stage for final content of pursuit. Javera Samraki as first runners-up and Yuna as the second runners-up. On juniors, Elias on seniors, Sarana Krisi, Didi, Ida Cheng, Rajvan Radi first runners-up and Kusi Radi as the second runners-up.
हजुर हो हजुरले भनेको शब्द ठ्याक्क लागेन हजुर